Victor Uniform 2 Lima Alpha Uniform. This is Victor Uniform 3 Sugar Uniform Alpha. Over. Do you copy?
Yeah, Victor Uniform number 3, Sierra Uniform Alpha. Victor Uniform number 3, Sierra Uniform Alpha. This is the Lima Alpha Uniform. You are 59 is the report. And here I am is Lakshman, like Lima Alpha, X-ray, Mike Alpha, November Lakshman. UTS in Shimoga in Karnataka. Shimoga city in Karnataka. And you know your handle and QTS. And here I am being vertical antenna.
VU2 Lima Alpha Uniform VU3 SUA. Good evening to you, Lakshman. Your report is 58259. 58259, very clear audio and good signal. Your antenna is doing a fine job. I think so. You made a new antenna. I heard somewhere that you were telling someone. So your antenna is doing a fine job. The QTH here is Lucknow. QTH is Lucknow and handle is Sunil. Sugar Uniform November India Lima. So that is it. I'm using around 23 watts into WA2EBY amp and using usdx QRP with an automatic antenna tuner. So antenna is delta loop. So that is it about my working condition. So back to you, VU2 Lima Alpha Uniform VU3 SUA. Over.
Victor Uniform number 3, Sierra Uniform Alpha. This is VU2 Lima Alpha Uniform. Good evening, Sunil from Lucknow. With the usdx QRP. How much power you are pushing? Let me know in the next hour. And which type of antenna you are using? Here vertical antenna, 100 watts, pushing 100 watts with the Yasu Fox Tango 880, Fox Tango 880 is the equipment. What do you know, dear Sunil? Victor Uniform number 3, Sierra Uniform Alpha, VU2 Lima Alpha Uniform, over.
VU2 Lima Alpha Uniform VU3 SUA. Okay, I'm using USDX and the USDX does not give much power, but it is driving this WA2EBY amp. It is meant for 40 watts, but I'm getting 24 watts. Since the drive is less, so I'm getting 24 watts. Otherwise, this amp can deliver up to 40 watts. So presently, it is giving 24 watts, and antenna is a delta loop for 20 meter band. So that's it. USDX transceiver and WA2EBY amp and automatic antenna tuner NDC DCC. So that's these all are homebrew, and also that sold through my company, that is InKits, if you know about me. So that's it, all about my setup. Nice to know about your antenna, and transceiver is doing a great job. VU2 Lima Alpha Uniform VU3 SUA. Over.
Roger. Victor Uniform number 3, Sierra Uniform Alpha. This is VU2 Lima Alpha Uniform. Yeah, thank you very much for all the details regarding your setup, antenna and equipment, 25 watt power. So, doing good job. Delta Loop is doing good job, dear Sunil. Thank you very much for the nice view. So, see you again many more times on frequency. This is Victor Uniform number 2, Lima Alpha Uniform. Closing down with Victor Uniform number 3, Sierra Uniform Alpha. 73s and good evening. Bye-bye.
Okay, Lakshman, 73s. Have a good, have many more QSOs, and we'll see you down the log. VU3 SUA and VU3 Lima Alpha Uniform clear. Bye, 73s.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.